Hello all dear friends, welcome to the BinaryOptions channel. I'm with you with another series of trading videos using candlestick psychology tips. I want to do a few trades and review the tips together. So stay with me until the end of this video. Well, we are on the CAD to JPY currency pair in the OTC market. The candlestick time is 1 minute and the trading time is 1 minute. If you look, we have an uptrend. In this part, a retracement trend has formed that will probably move to our fresh level. If it crosses this level, it will probably continue to the next level. So it is better to try to trade in the same direction as the uptrend. I entered a lower trade. We have a bullish momentum trend, a new low, and a gap to the next level. That's why I entered a lower trade. Okay. I entered the lower trade again. With a margin of safety, I made a lower trade higher than the previous position. My candle has made a new low and received a rejection from the round number level. For this reason, and due to the bullish momentum trend, there is a possibility of continuing the downward movement and forming a red candle. Great. If you look, the green candle has made a higher low than the previous candle, which means we have a higher low after the new low. So there is a possibility of a trend reversal and forming a green candlestick. Okay? I entered a higher trade. The green candle has made a higher high than the previous candle, which means we have a new high here. Also, our major trend is an uptrend. That's why I entered a higher trade and there is a possibility of continuing the uptrend. If you look, I entered a higher trade again. A powerful green candle. And uptrend, a gap and distance to the next level. you can see our candle is a power candle that has no pressure and rejection from above and formed after a reversal candle. So I entered a higher trade. Okay. If you look, we have a powerful level here, an effective level, which I have already talked about in the candlestick psychology videos. I'm waiting for the candle to close. If you look, my green candle has a gap to the shadow of the red candle. We need to wait for the candles to fill this gap. Then, if they receive a rejection, we can enter a lower trade. I entered the higher trade with a margin of safety. Our green power candle and the bullish momentum trend have crossed our effective level. First, I waited for the green candle to receive a rejection from our level, and then I entered the trade. It's okay. We have a range of buyers here, which I identify by drawing a trend line. If you look, the candles have hit this trend line twice in the past and continued on their way again. So it's likely to happen again. I entered a higher trade. Our uptrend continues, and next to it, there is a red candle between two green candles. There is a possibility of the uptrend continuing as in the past chart. Great. I entered a lower trade. My entry point was not a good entry point, so I entered a lower trade again after the candle reached the round number level. Because of the forming of a strong red candle, the gap and the distance to the fresh level, I entered the lower trade. Great, our second trade covered the first trade. We are in a volatile market and we need to be careful. I will take another trade. we are looking for a suitable and good chart for the trade. I entered 2 higher trades. If you look, a bullish momentum trend and a reverse momentum trend. A strong green candles. So I entered 2 higher trades. You can see that's our list of trades today. Okay, dear friends, be sure to watch the video a few times and practice the tips on the demo account. Be sure to watch the other episodes of Candle Psychology in the Candlestick Psychology playlist. If you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel and send it to your friends. To register for PocketOption, use the link below the video and receive a 50 to 100% initial bonus to start trading. Dear friends, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.